Gold price analysis. Look at what happened on gold in the last few days. Market breakout here and move to the upside. Is this market still going to move upward? That is what I'll be talking about in this video, owing to the fact that we have a very strong resistance at this very point. And this is for all gold traders because this video is going to help you, give you a nice perspective about gold direction and what you need to pay attention to on the 1-day chart and also on the 4-hour chart in the short term. And let's dive right into the details. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel I discuss everything about forex day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for all that forex content. This video is very important for all gold traders. I talk about this breakout and market broke out and moved all the way here. We have just little retracement. Market is still going to move to the upside. This is my own personal opinion. I am expecting the market to move to the upside and we should break this level of important resistance at this very point right here. Resistance should be broken and it's going to take some time for this resistance to break, but once we see that very breakout on resistance, that means the market is going to further move drastically to the upside, creating new highs on gold. So we still expect the market to continue this bullish movement to the upside on gold right now. This is my expectation, owing to the fact that we've broke out of this very level of resistance, which this is a symmetrical triangular pattern. A symmetrical triangular pattern in an uptrend is a continuation pattern after breakout, and that is what we are seeing right now. So market broke out of this symmetrical triangular pattern and then is moving to the upside right now. So it is a continuation pattern. I believe market is going to move to the upside and need to pay attention to this very level of resistance, and a breakout here will further make the market to move upward and create a new high on gold 1-day chart right now, guys. So pay attention to this. Is very important for all gold traders right now as we speak. And if you take a look at the RSI indicator, this is indicating that market is going to move to the upside, and this very point where market create this high in the past have not been reached, which means the RSI have capacity of moving upward, okay, to this very point where we see the market come back down at this very point on the chart right here before correction to the downside. And more reason why I believe from this analysis that the market is going to move to the upside. So pay attention to market moving upward on gold from where it is right now with these technicals. So this is my personal expectation. What do you think about gold? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, something different is on the 4-hour chart. Is a correction and then market move upward. The best thing to do on the 4-hour chart right now is to give this trend a trend line and also place a trend line on the indicator and better see a perspective of where the market is going to go next. So if you draw this trend line perfectly to this very area, okay, so this is so important right now. So this is a very nice looking trend line to the upside. If you draw same on the RSI indicator from this very point as well to the upside, you see the market is moving upward both on the indicator and also on the chart. This is so important, guys. I am still expecting the market to move to the upside, and that expectation is that market should create a new high first. This is so important, guys. Pay attention. Market should create a new high first, higher than the previous high at this very point, because if we don't see that, market have capacity of retracing greatly before continuation in line with the 1-day chart. So you need to pay attention to that. So market should create a new high first, and then if it come back down, we can enter for a buy again for market to move to the upside in the next few days. This is so important, guys. So pay attention to market creating a new high first, then a retracement to this trend line level will be the nice time to take your trade for the market to move to the upside. That means after the creation of a new high, market come back down for retracement, you pay attention to buy the market after retracement. Pay attention and follow what I am saying strictly if this aligns with your methodology. So what I am looking at as well on the indicator is if the indicator move upward and come back down and break this level of support on this trend line on the indicator right here, then please wait for the market to have a good upward movement, because this means that the market is going to come back to the downside on the 4-hour chart, not 1-day chart. Pay attention. So what I am expecting right now is the market to remain within the boundary upward of this very trend line, which is a support trend line, and also the indicator should not go below this very support trend line on the indicator as well. If it goes below it, then don't buy the market. But in as much as the indicator is above this very support trend line and the market move upward first of all and create a new high higher than the previous high at this very point, we are going to continue to buy the market to the upside. So right now on the immediate short term on gold, pay attention to buying the market. Don't sell at the moment, because if you look at the 4-hour chart and the 1-day chart, the market is in line with the bullish movement on these both charts. So pay attention to buying the market and not selling the market at the moment on gold. This is for all gold traders, and for you to make money from gold, you need to do your top-down analysis or multiple time frame analysis very well, and also check the gold index. This is so important, guys. So pay attention to this, and you're going to see a change in the next coming days and an alignment with this very technical analysis. So this is very important for all gold traders right now. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. And also check the channel for other forex content. If you've not registered with any broker, I have a recommended broker for you. Follow my link in the description. It is also a way of supporting the channel, and register with those recommended brokers. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you next time.